Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video because I got a few questions about how does shaving your face work. Is it good for your skin? There are some do's and don'ts, and does your skin grow back thicker? So I'm just going to address those few things in this video and also show you how I shave my face to exfoliate it and get rid of all these dark hair. I've already showered, so I cleansed my skin in the shower and I used just any cleanser for like a minute. Now the next thing I'm going to do is use this refreshing and clarifying toner by Himalaya just on a little cotton pad, and I'm just going to sweep that all over my face. So the toner will just help and get rid of if there are any other like impurities on your skin while refreshing your skin, and also putting some good stuff into it and making your skin ready basically. Okay, when you think your skin is clean, but in reality there's so much on it, so that's why it's really important to tone. Right, so here's a little close-up of what my skin looks like right now. As you can see, on the jaw area is mainly where I have a lot of these peach fuzz and little hair, and also like around my mouth and on the upper cheek part. That's where I'm going to focus on. Okay, so the next step before we get started is to apply a facial oil or some kind of base to your face to make it easier for the shaving medium to glide on. I don't have a facial oil right now, but I do have a face serum, so I'm going to take a real nice amount of this on my hand. I took like a whole pump of this, and I'm just going to apply it first on my jaw area because that's where I'm going to shave first. This will just, and I've taken like a lot of it, so it's just, you can see it makes the skin like more plump and also gives a nice gliding surface to the facial shaver. Yeah, there. So today I'm going to be using this little shaving thingy, face shaving thingy. I got this from Let's Shave, and it was like a pack of 3 for probably 300 or maybe 400, I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, so while using this there are a couple of things you need to be careful about. Your skin needs to be tight while using it, and you should hold this in a 45-degree angle to get the best usage and not scratch your face. So I'm just going to get started with that. So what I'm doing is I'm not pulling my skin as such, but I'm going to lightly hold it up and with a 45-degree angle just. There's a myth that using a razor on your face means that your hair is going to grow back thicker, but that's not true because I've been doing this for more than like a year now, and my hair always grows back the same. It's still soft and it doesn't have like thick ends to it. My skin's obviously going to look red to begin with, but yeah. Look at that, look at the hair. It's because of my hormones that I get like a lot of growth on my face. So I feel like before I used to like bleach and stuff like that, but bleaching would only last like for a little time, and I would get that glow only for a particular day. Yeah. So I'm just going to continue doing this and by holding up my skin.
You can, or you can get in.
Okay, so that's a lot of hair that has come out. I'm just going to take a cotton pad and just clean all that. I also want to go around like my mouth and like my mochi area and on my forehead. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that serum on my hand and apply it on these areas. The shaving your face works great in also getting rid of dead skin cells, and it helps your skin like heal and grow back new cells, because of which like your skin looks more fresh. If you are a beginner at shaving your face, start off from the larger areas of your face like the jawline, then you can move to like around your mouth and then move towards your eyebrows and eyes once you get comfortable with it. I have been doing this for a while, that's why it seems like I'm more comfortable with it. And also these facial razors from Let's Shave are great. I haven't got myself. Okay, so I went in and I also cleaned around my eyebrows, and now they look super snatched, so that's cool. I'm taking some more of the toner on the cotton pad, and I'm just going to clean my face. You can also just go and wash your face. Okay, my skin feels super soft, like a little baby's bum. Oh god. And my makeup also, I know, is gonna go on super smooth after this. I'm gonna apply some of the serum and then my moisturizer to calm my face down and all this redness that we have, and I'll be right back once the redness has gone down to show you guys how it looks. Right guys, so this is what my skin looks like after. There's still a little bit of redness, but it definitely feels much smoother and nicer overall. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.